Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall ShareASale tracking links in Shopify step by step clearly. To uninstall ShareASale tracking links in Shopify, begin by logging into your Shopify admin account. Navigate to the online store section from the left sidebar. Click on Themes to access your current theme settings. Locate the theme you are using and click on Actions next to it. From the drop-down menu, select Edit Code. In the code editor, find the Layout folder on the left side. Click on Theme.liquid to open the main layout file. Scroll through the code to find any references related to ShareASale tracking. These may include links with ShareASale in the URL. Once you locate the tracking scripts or links, carefully delete the entire line of code. Be cautious not to disturb other existing code. After removing the ShareASale links, click Save in the top right corner to apply your changes. Next, return to the Shopify admin dashboard. Go to the Apps section from the left sidebar. Look for any ShareASale related apps installed in your Shopify store. If you find such an app, click on it to open the app settings. Inside the app settings, look for an option to uninstall or remove the app. Click on the Uninstall or Remove option to proceed. Follow any prompts to confirm the uninstallation. After completing these steps, check your store to ensure the links have been successfully removed. Finally, consider testing your checkout process to verify that everything is functioning properly without the tracking links. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.